BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Click below link and install the application and make use of it for all of your grocery and general purchasing. Have you passed your funded evaluation challenge? What next? Have your funded account passed certificate on hand and set up your first master account or funded account? Come on, let's see how to request for qualification passed certificate and how to set up your very first master account or funded account on Bulenox. Before going into the video, those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's jump into the video. First, let us see how to apply for our Passed Qualification Certificate once you hit the target goal of your evaluation account. For that, I am going to open the bulenox.com website. Then click the login button, which you can see at the right top corner of the window. Once you log in, click the Passed Qualification Request under the dashboard section. It will take you to the Passed Qualification Request page where you will just fill your email under the email text box, your Bulenox account number which you have passed and going to apply for the Passed Qualification Certificate under the BX Fast Qualification Account Numbers text box. This is generally starts with BX and ends with 2-digit number. Please keep in mind, enter Bulenox account number only, no invoice. Example, BX30452-07, BX30452-08, BX30452-12. Then fill the date under the date text box in month, date, year format. Then click the green color submit button at the bottom of the page. Please make sure that you have entered the right email address and Bulenox account number before click the submit button. That's it. We have successfully applied for the Passed Qualification request, and the same we will notify through email as well, stating that we have received your response for Passed Qualification request. Generally, verification can take 1 to 2 business days. After all the verification of your information and accounts has been completed, you will receive an email with a certificate, instructions, and an agreement. Once they verified your request, you will receive 2 emails from them. The first one is new invoice mail contains your new master account activation payment link to pay for $148 50K account in my case. It varies based on the size of the account. Also, this invoice payment link is valid for 1 week from the date of email. Please make sure that you pay before the expiry date of the link. Once you pay, immediately you will receive payment receipt to your email. Then the second mail is congratulations mail for your master account, stating that you are eligible for the master account and the details of what to do next with 2 simple steps. Step 1. Fill out and sign all the requirements in the agreement available in the below link. Just click that link. It will take you to the new window of Bulenox LLC Master Account Agreement, like Master Account, Account Ownership, Indemnification, Limitations of Liability, Account Rules, Trading Disclosures, Account Fees, Trading Platform and Fees, Algorithmic and Automated Trading and Trade Copying, Rewards, Multiple Accounts, Status of Independent Contractor, Agreement Termination, Confidentiality Modifications, Miscellaneous e-sign consent. Take your own time to read out of this agreement. Also, you can go through the terms of use agreement and privacy policy by copying the relevant URLs mentioned below the appropriate sections and paste it in the new tab. Once you've reviewed, just fill your initials in the 2 text boxes shown here. Then just below you will see your new master account number followed by the address, country, phone number, email, signature, name and date. Just fill these details correctly, then click the green color submit button at the bottom of the page. Step 2. Sign up for a master account. You don't worry about this step. Once you paid for your master account and done with your step number 1, the master account will be ready within 1 hour. Qualified account was removed from the dashboard by Bulenox team. Now it's time to see your past qualification certificate that you have earned for your hard work. Yes, don't forget the attachment of your second email where you can find your certificate. After following the above steps, to check whether your master account is activated or not, go to your Bulenox account dashboard. If you see the master account data and maintenance under the activate subscriptions, means your master account is all set. To confirm that, click the report tabs where you will find your new master account number. That's it. Your new funded account is ready to shoot for the new trades. Happy trading. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you all in another video. Until then, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more topics and videos. See you soon.